Are you looking to build your startup's first product but worried about the costs? What if I told you that you can build a minimum viable product, or MVP, on a tight budget? In today's video, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide to creating an MVP without breaking the bank. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a small business owner, this guide is designed to help you bring your idea to life efficiently and affordably. Let's get started. Validate your idea. Before investing time and money, you need to make sure there's a real demand for your product. This doesn't have to be expensive. Leverage free tools like Google Trends, Reddit, or even social media polls to gauge interest. Reach out to potential customers and ask for their feedback. You can do this through online surveys using platforms like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey, which are free and easy to use. Define core features. It's time to define the core features of your MVP. The key here is to focus only on the essential functionalities that solve the main problem your users face. Ask yourself, what is the primary value my product offers? What features are absolutely necessary for delivering that value? Create a list of all possible features, then prioritize them by importance. Remember, less is more at this stage. Your MVP should be a simplified version of your product, not a fully fledged solution. This approach not only saves time and money, but also allows you to test your product's viability in the market without overcommitting resources. Choose the right tools and technology. Now that you have your core features outlined, it's time to decide on the tools and technology you'll use to build your MVP. The good news is, you don't need to hire an expensive development team or learn how to code from scratch. There are numerous budget-friendly or even free tools that can help you build a functional MVP. For example, if you're building a web app, consider using platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Webflow. These tools offer drag-and-drop interfaces and customizable templates that make it easy to create a professional-looking product. If you need something more complex, explore low-code platforms like Bubble or Adalo, which allow you to build apps with minimal coding knowledge. Choosing the right tools will depend on your product's needs and your budget, so take some time to explore your options before committing. Build and launch. With your tools and features ready, it's time to build your MVP. Since we're working on a budget, efficiency is key. Focus on getting a functional version of your product up and running as quickly as possible. Remember, your MVP doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to work well enough to demonstrate your concept and gather user feedback. Once your MVP is built, launch it to your target audience. This can be done through a soft launch, where you release it to a small group of early adopters, or a broader launch depending on your strategy. Platforms like Product Hunt, Indie Hackers, or even your social media channels can be excellent for promoting your MVP without spending a fortune on marketing. Gather feedback and iterate. After launching, the most important part of the process begins: gathering feedback. Your MVP is live, and now it's time to see how users interact with it. Pay close attention to their responses. What do they like? What confuses them? And what features are they asking for? Use this feedback to make informed decisions about the next steps. Maybe you need to tweak your product's functionality, or perhaps there are additional features that users are clamoring for. The feedback loop is crucial for refining your product and ensuring it meets your audience's needs. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to building a minimum viable product on a budget. It's your first step towards building something bigger, so keep iterating and improving. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on building successful products on a budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.